we have control over trade policy for the first time. The government has the opportunity, the potential to encourage and support businesses. And for the Institute, success for us is when international trade is just an instinctive part of doing business, and particularly for the manufacturers of the UK. You know, manufacturing, exporting and importing is an essential lifeblood, and there is huge potential, and the government needs to get behind business to ensure that manufacturing returns not just to the levels that it was, but actually leads the way in the future. And there is support available. There's the £2,000 Brexit fund, which is available to all businesses to help them deal with the new challenges of the relationship with the EU, to understand how they can trade more seamlessly and friction-free. Export and international trade should be just a central part of doing business, not an add-on to doing business. And the manufacturing backbone of the United Kingdom has to be at the very heart of that.